Hello, this is Ibrahim Muntazeri. I am doing my screencast for LIS 5447. Today I am going to compare two websites, Girl Scouts and Boy Scouts of America. First, Girl Scouts of America. Girl Scouts of America is pretty simple. Boy Scouts of America is blue. If you wanted to like to see first glance, they put these cookies here. That's what Girl Scout of America is famous for. I think this is a good idea. And what is in the first page, like first class on the Boy Scout, is kind of like field trip and like biking and boys having an activity together, which both shows the main mission of these two organizations. Going down, you see the top menu in Girl Scout sticks up there, which is cool, you know. When you see Boy Scouts already there and it always stays up there. Both are cool. So the main things. So this way we find out that what is the most important keys for the Girl Scout and Boy Scout. So about in Girl Scout and about Girl Scout. In Boy Scout there is just 4 important keys: join, give, shop, and my scouting login. So this is login, join, give for the volunteer, and shop something. For Boy Scout, for Girl Scout, join and volunteer instead of them. And then there are some more menus about the Girl Scouts, our program, shop. It's the same cookies, which is important for Girl Scout, and for adults and for girls. In Boy Scout we don't have this, but there is a menu key which when we push it anytime in the page, you can see a vast amount of menus. Most importantly is like categorized in nicely in different categories. So scouting programs, training, scouting resources, and then you can go to, down through the directory and see like Boy Scouting, Cub Scouting, like training. And then for example, if I am an adult and I want to find my section, so about is here. So this section I am going to talk about the other sections. اوکی ما ادامه میدیم اینجا رو.